how to use YouTube for business marketing. Welcome back to Success Spark Wisdom, where we share insights and strategies to help you thrive in your business. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to effectively use YouTube for business marketing. YouTube is not just a platform for entertainment, it's a powerful tool that can elevate your brand and connect you with your audience. First, let's talk about why YouTube is essential for your business. With millions of users worldwide, YouTube offers a unique opportunity to reach a diverse audience. Video content is more engaging than text or images alone, and it allows you to showcase your products or services in a dynamic way. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, leveraging YouTube can enhance your brand visibility and drive sales. Now, how can you get started? The first step is to create a compelling YouTube channel. Choose a channel name that reflects your brand and is easy to remember. Customize your channel with eye-catching visuals, including a professional logo and banner. Make sure to fill out the About section with a clear description of your business and what viewers can expect from your content. Next, it's time to create engaging content. Think about what your audience wants to see. This could include tutorials, product reviews, behind-the-scenes looks, or customer testimonials. The key is to provide value. Focus on solving problems or answering questions your audience may have. High-quality videos that are informative and entertaining will keep viewers coming back for more. Don't forget the importance of SEO for your videos. Just like with traditional websites, optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags can help improve visibility. Use keywords that your target audience is searching for. This will increase the chances of your videos appearing in search results and recommended videos. Consistency is crucial when it comes to building an audience on YouTube. Create a content schedule that you can stick to, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Regular uploads keep your channel active and encourage subscribers to return for more content. You can also engage with your audience by responding to comments and asking for feedback. This interaction builds community and loyalty around your brand. Another effective strategy is to collaborate with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche. Collaborations can introduce your brand to new audiences and add credibility to your business. Choose partners whose values align with yours for authentic connections. Don't forget to promote your videos on other platforms as well. Share your content on social media, embed videos in your blog, or send them out in your email newsletters. This cross-promotion can drive traffic to your YouTube channel and increase your overall reach. As you start to gain traction, consider using YouTube ads to further promote your business. With targeted advertising options, you can reach specific demographics and showcase your products or services to potential customers. This can be a great way to increase visibility and drive traffic to your channel and website. Finally, always analyze your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to track views, engagement, and audience demographics. This data can help you understand what's working and what needs improvement, allowing you to refine your strategy and create even better content. In conclusion, YouTube is a powerful platform that can significantly enhance your business marketing efforts. By creating valuable content, optimizing for SEO, engaging with your audience, and analyzing your performance, you can harness the full potential of YouTube. Thank you for watching Success Spark Wisdom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and insights. Your support means a lot, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.